morning everyone and welcome back to the vlog. Today's vlog is going to be about fixing the Raptor. We're going to be installing the Ken Block fuel off-road wheels, the rear lift block kits, and we're also going to be doing the flash tune. Valve open, overtaking. Valve closed, and I'm going to do a pull. Not much sound. With the windows closed, it actually sounds very close to stock, but a little more rasp. Just got to the shop. These are the lifting blocks we're going to install today. Should be super quick. It just shackles onto the leaf spring. Right now we're headed down to Bridgestone to mount our Ken Block fuel off-road wheels. The Raptor has had this issue. My left rear tire sensor is not working, and thank you to Speed 7 for sending me a full set, but we're only going to replace one today and keep the rest for alternative mags maybe. Just did a quick pit stop for lunch. We left the Raptor with Bridgestone with my driver. He's gonna bring it to the shop after it's done. And then right now we're gonna head back to the shop to mount the Street Hunters kit on the Supra. We didn't get to mount the fuel off-road wheels on the Raptor because apparently I needed smaller lug nuts. So we're trying to source some lug nuts and maybe tomorrow we can get it mounted. We're back here in the Raptor. Blake said I need to select the ECU version from the drop-down bar. Read ECU, calibration data, save. And then after that, we have to forward the calibration file with our modifications and requests to Blake, and then they will send me a tune back, and then we can flash it back into the Raptor, and we're done. ECU has been successfully read and has been saved. The Supra is almost done. We found a few issues with the front fender over here. I'll show you guys in detail. Right now we have a problem with the rotiform wheels. The barrels are delayed, so we're actually in dire need of spacers for the Supra. Very thick spacers so that we can run the stock wheels first, so that we can see if anything is rubbing. Here's the main problem with the kit. You can see the gapping here, or they didn't include the scan of this section, which means it should fold on this surface so that we don't have that gap there. The main issue we're facing with, if we push it in, it's cracking over here already. This is aligned already, this is not. We're gonna be cutting it here in a section. Hopefully that's enough to relax it so that we can bring it in. Here also, the gapping. But the side skirts, all the way up to the rear, sits relatively well. I mean, a few gapping issues here that we can easily resolve. Rear quarter profile all the way till the side skirts works really well. This is what Ramjay's done so far. We've had to cut it here and cut it there so that we can flush it in. We're gonna add some material here and then maybe just trim this na lang. We wanted to relax the whole kit so it's not fighting, so we had to cut the brake here, and then it was bumping here, so we actually cut a small hole here, which wasn't enough, why we had to cut it again, and then we're going to refit everything. The cars need to move because we're moving Manta already to the farm. Moving cars. Thank you to Camel Toe for custom widening their bed. They did the same thing that my previous tower did, Auto Transporter. Not gonna be able to finish the Street Hunter Supra, but I will update you guys again in the next video. Look at all the mess that we're sorting. We're gonna start moving some stuff again. The Raptor's finally done. Noi got the wheels. Thank you to Freddy's Evangelista for mounting the wheels. The offset is a little aggressive. It sticks out now, but the truck looks like a mini baby trophy truck. Black on black. I'm actually very excited to see a car parked finally in the new garage. The new garage isn't complete yet. It still lacks quite a few things, but we're able to use the space already and park. Look who we caught up to. We caught up to Black Manta, even though they left about an hour and a half earlier than me. We finally caught them up in the hill. And we finally have the tune from Vivid Racing, and we're going to be proceeding to flash the car. I have the laptop plugged in and charging because the last time I tried to do this with the other car at classic speed, the laptop died. I thought I bricked the ECU, which was super scary, but it was fine. The car started, and I'm not going to make that same mistake. We're going to power the truck on. This looks correct, and we're going to program ECU memory. And our file is on a USB stick, and there we have it. Turn ignition off, wait 5 seconds, turn ignition back on, keep driver door open, and then click OK. The car is now cycling through programming modes, and we're beginning to write the new software. Please switch the ignition off position. Okay, ignition is off. ECU has been successfully programmed. Okay, I think that's it. What's always scary about flash tuning your car is it gonna start? Yep. Windows closed, valve open. Let's do a short pull. Wow. We are back in the truck and I wanted to discuss how the Raptor feels now after the tune file, and wow, it really woke up the truck. We now have more bottom end torque and more pull from the lower RPMs of the truck. You can really feel the effectivity of the tune, especially combined with the Roush cold air intake and the Velocity AP exhaust. Super happy with it. I'm hoping Blake can send me the other tune that will give us some burbles during downshift. But for now, I'm pretty happy with how the truck drives and how it feels, and I can't say anything bad about it. Must recommend it. It's pretty good, pretty decent. Without putting the truck on a dyno, it just feels like it's surging more. Around 2000 RPM, you can really feel the boost kicking, and all the way up till redline now there is power and the truck feels great. It really just has come alive with the tune, and super happy. Thank you to Mike of Vivid Racing and Blake for hooking me up with this tune, and I can't wait for the other flash file. But for now, we're gonna end the vlog here. I think we're done with the Raptor, unless you guys want to see some other mods that I should put on the truck. But I'm pretty happy with what I've done so far, and maybe I'll do a whole video on just the details of the Raptor and what I've done over the past few months with this truck. Alright, so I'll see you guys again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.